All right, guys. So Cami went live today. We have the full version now, and if you watch the other video, this is kind of a work in progress right now, but you'll be seeing the site when it's live. But if you've watched this video, assigning Cami assignment to Google Classroom, this video is going to do the same thing, but it's going to show that it hasn't changed a whole lot. There's just some extra features that you have, and viewing the student work is definitely about the same, and I'll show you how that works as well. Um, so we're going to look at the different options that you have now that you have the full version. So let's dive in and look at the tool now that it's completely open. Um, if I open up this document in Cami, um, the tool is going to look a little bit different now. So everything is open over here. You can even have the help with reading, and you can still do the markups, the comments, text box, equations unlocked now. You can do the different math symbols that you may need. Um, you can also insert images into um, the actual document, and then you have your signature as well. So these are the new features that are on there. Looking at saves, all this is pretty much still the same. Um, so I didn't see a lot of changes there. A few of these things over here are unlocked, but there's things that you probably won't be using that much, especially getting started. So everything now is unlocked, though, and your students can use it based on whatever they need to use it on. So um, they can also click on dictionary here, and if they don't know what the word plot means, um, they can look it up doing it that way. So it's another good feature about the full version of Cami. Also, assigning assignments in Cami is now open, and if you look at the create option, you can click on Cami assignment, and now it does work with your profile. It opens up a new window here. It looks pretty much the same as any Google Classroom setup. Um, you can go to Google Drive, and once it opens up to Google Drive in this window for you, you can find the PDF you're looking for. You can even click on PDFs to show you every folder that has a PDF in it. So I'm just going to choose a PDF real quick. And once it attaches, now you'll see that it actually tells you to make a copy for each student. That's the recommended setting. That we talked about that in a previous video. If you don't do that, every student will be editing the same copy. So once you have that finished, though, you click Assign. And once it posts, you get this window. It says Assignments Created. You can open it in Classroom. So we'll open up the tab here in Classroom, and here it is. I also forgot to even mention it, but you can leave the check mark to give instructions to the student on how to use Cami for the first time. And this is also something they can keep referring back to when they, if they get confused or anything like that. And it may even help you if you're still struggling too. So, but now you have this option the same way. You can click on Open with Cami up here at the top, and everything's ready to go. And one more major feature that is now unlocked, and I'm going to show you from my training class here, is you can now grade with Cami when you have, excuse me, I hit the wrong thing. You can now grade with Cami now that you have access to the full version. So if you look over here, you got the check mark of grading with Cami. If you check mark that, it will open up the document in Cami, and then you as the teacher can use all the features of Cami and add in a text box explaining an answer, make a markup, write in something special, whatever you want to do there. You as the teacher can do that. And so you use Cami to do it, and you click Save, and it saves in the student's version. All right, I hope these new features, although it didn't change a lot, help you guys. Thanks.